Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing. Welcome, health enthusiasts, to our enlightening discussion on balanced diets. Today, we're delving into a topic that's as juicy as a ripe red apple: the balanced diet. This isn't just about eating your greens and hoping for the best. It's about understanding what your body needs, from nutrient-dense foods to proper portion sizes. Picture a vibrant plate full of colorful fruits, hearty whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. That's right, fats can be friends too. Not only will we explore the components of a balanced diet, but we'll also discover the incredible benefits it brings. Think improved health, boosted energy, and even a happier mood. So if you've ever wondered about the best way to fuel your body, or you're just curious about nutrition, this is the perfect place to start. Stick around to become a diet expert yourself. A balanced diet, it's not just about eating salads all day, it's about a variety of nutrients. Now, what exactly is a balanced diet? Picture a colorful plate filled with different kinds of foods from all the food groups. That's your balanced diet. It's a diet that includes the right proportions of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. These are the 5 essential food groups that our body needs to function optimally. Carbohydrates, often found in foods like rice, bread, and pasta, are our body's main source of energy. They keep us active and energetic, fueling our bodies throughout the day. Next, we have proteins. These are the building blocks of our body. Lean meats, dairy, eggs, and legumes are excellent sources of protein. They help in building and repairing tissues and are crucial for growth and development. Fats, despite some common misconceptions, are also a key part of a balanced diet. They provide energy, absorb vitamins, and protect our organs. But remember, it's about the right kind of fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and fish. Then we have vitamins and minerals. These are found in an array of fruits and vegetables, and they play important roles in various bodily functions. They boost our immune system, strengthen our bones, and even improve our vision. And let's not forget water. It's not technically a food group, but it's equally important. Our bodies are made up of about 2/3 water, and staying hydrated helps every system in our bodies work better. So, when we talk about a balanced diet, we're talking about incorporating all these food groups into our meals in the right proportions. It's not about completely eliminating certain foods, but rather about finding a balance that works for you. Remember, everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's important to listen to your body and understand what it needs. A balanced diet isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, it's a personalized approach to eating. Remember, variety is the spice of life and your diet. So, what's on the menu for a balanced diet? Let's dive into nutrient-dense foods. Nutrient-dense foods, as the name implies, are packed with a high volume of essential nutrients relative to their calorie content. They're the powerhouses of nourishment, supplying you with vitamins, minerals, fiber, protein, and healthy fats, all while keeping your calorie count in check. Let's take a tour of the nutrient-dense foods from every food group, shall we? First, we have fruits. Think of vibrant berries, succulent melons, and tangy citrus fruits. These are not only a treat for your taste buds, but also loaded with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. Next in line are vegetables. From leafy greens like spinach and kale, to colorful bell peppers and sweet potatoes, they're a goldmine of nutrients. And the best part? You can enjoy them in a myriad of ways: steamed, roasted, or even raw in a salad. Then we have lean proteins. This category includes foods like chicken breast, turkey, fish, eggs, and plant-based proteins like lentils and quinoa. They provide your body with essential amino acids, helping you build and repair tissues among other functions. Whole grains, such as brown rice, oatmeal, and whole wheat bread, are an excellent source of fiber and B vitamins. They also keep you feeling full longer, helping curb those pesky midday snack cravings. And let's not forget about healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish like salmon are brimming with monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats are crucial for heart health, brain function, and inflammation control. Each of these nutrient-dense foods offers unique benefits, from boosting your immune system to promoting healthy skin and hair. They can even aid in weight management and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. So, the next time you're planning your meals, remember to incorporate a variety of nutrient-dense foods. You'll be fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive while enjoying a rainbow of flavors. Now, who said nutritious food can't be delicious? It's not just what you eat, but how much you eat that matters. Picture this. You're at your favorite restaurant and you order a delicious, mouth-watering steak. When it arrives, it's twice the size of your palm, served with a heap of mashed potatoes and a side of buttered vegetables. Now here's the catch. Even though these foods are part of a balanced diet, the portion size is way too large. Eating the entire meal could mean consuming more calories than necessary, leading to weight gain over time. This scenario illustrates why portion control is essential. It's about understanding how much of each type of food you should consume to maintain a balanced diet. It's the secret ingredient that ensures you're getting the right amount of nutrients without overeating. So how can you manage portion sizes effectively? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Firstly, try using smaller plates and bowls. This simple trick can make your portions look larger and trick your brain into thinking you're eating more than you actually are. Secondly, familiarize yourself with portion sizes for different foods. For instance, a portion of lean protein should be about the size of your palm, while a serving of grains should fit into your cupped hand. Thirdly, listen to your body. Eat slowly and stop eating when you're full, even if there's still food on your plate. Remember, it's okay to save leftovers for later. Lastly, don't skip meals. Eating regular meals can help prevent overeating later in the day. Now remember that portion control doesn't mean you have to eat less of everything. It's about eating the right amounts of the right foods. You can still enjoy your favorite meals just in moderation. So the next time you sit down for a meal, be mindful of your portion sizes. Pay attention to how much you're eating, not just what you're eating. It's the first step towards achieving a balanced diet and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Remember, portion control is key to a balanced diet. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you found this content helpful or interesting, or if you've been inspired to add a little more balance to your diet, don't forget to hit that like button. It's a simple click for you, but it means a lot to us. While you're at it, consider subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll not only show your support, but you'll also be the first one to know when we release new content. We're constantly coming up with fresh, informative videos just like this one, and we wouldn't want you to miss out. And hey, we love hearing from you. If you have any thoughts, questions, or even some health tips of your own, feel free to drop a comment below. Your input helps us create better content, tailored to your needs. Thank you for your support. Now back to the video. Why should you care about a balanced diet? Let's discuss the benefits. A balanced diet is not just about looking good or fitting into your favorite pair of jeans. It's about enhancing your overall well-being. Consuming a variety of nutrient-dense foods can lead to numerous health benefits. Firstly, a balanced diet strengthens your immune system. When you nourish your body with a mix of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats, you're providing it with all the essential nutrients it needs to fight off diseases. So you're not just eating, you're arming your body with health warriors. Secondly, you'll have more energy. Ever notice how you feel sluggish after a junk food binge? That's because your body isn't getting the right fuel. On the other hand, a balanced diet provides sustained energy, helping you stay alert and productive throughout the day. It's like having a high-performance engine that runs smoothly on premium fuel. Thirdly, a balanced diet contributes to better mood regulation. Research has linked a healthy diet with lower rates of depression and anxiety. It turns out that the phrase, "you are what you eat," might have more truth to it than we thought. When you eat well, you feel well. Moreover, a balanced diet supports healthy weight management. By being mindful of portion sizes and choosing nutrient-dense foods, you can maintain a healthy weight without resorting to drastic diets or deprivation. You won't just be shedding pounds, you'll be shedding unhealthy habits too. And let's not forget about the long-term benefits. A balanced diet can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. It's not just about living longer, it's about living healthier and enjoying a higher quality of life. So to sum it up, a balanced diet can boost your immune system, increase your energy levels, improve your mood, help you maintain a healthy weight, and reduce your risk of chronic diseases. It's like a magic potion for an improved version of you. So a balanced diet equals a balanced life. Eating healthy is easier when you have the right tools. Let's talk about some recommended health products that can help you maintain a balanced diet. These aren't magic wands, mind you, but they can certainly support your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. First up, we have the Humble Kitchen Scale. It's a small tool, but mighty in its impact. A kitchen scale can help you keep track of portion sizes, which is crucial when you're trying to balance your diet. Remember, even nutrient-dense foods can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. Next, let's discuss nutrient-dense meal replacements. These are not just your typical protein shakes. We're talking about full meals in a bottle, packed with vitamins and minerals. They're perfect for those days when you're in a rush, but don't want to compromise on nutrition. And then there are multivitamin supplements. While they're no substitute for a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats, they can help fill in the gaps. But remember, it's essential to choose a multivitamin that's right for your age, sex, and health status. We also recommend investing in a good quality blender or juicer. These can help you whip up nutritious smoothies or fresh juices in a jiffy. It's a fun and delicious way to add more fruits and vegetables to your diet. Finally, don't underestimate the power of a good cookbook, especially one that focuses on wholesome, nutrient-dense recipes. It can inspire you to try new foods and flavors, making the journey towards a balanced diet more enjoyable. Remember, these are just tools to aid your journey. The real change comes from your commitment to a healthier lifestyle. So, take a moment to check out the description box below. You'll find links to these products and more. With these products, a balanced diet is just a click away. That's all for today's guide to a balanced diet. We've journeyed through the importance of incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods into our daily meals, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Not to forget, we've also emphasized the significance of being mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. The benefits of such a diet are numerous, from boosting our energy levels to improving our overall health. It's not just about what we eat, but also how much and when. And let's not forget about our recommended health products in the description box below that can supplement your balanced diet. In essence, a balanced diet is not a fad, it's a lifestyle choice. It's about making smart decisions every day to fuel our bodies with the right nutrients. So, let's make that choice for our health, for our future. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.